come from Walmart, so y'all can watch me put it together and try it out. It appears to be completely assembled before we read the instructions. It's pretty light. Alright, so I bought myself a new tree hugger lawnmower. So we're going to put it together and try it out. It comes from Walmart. It is supposed to be 40 volt. My front yard's not that big, so hopefully it'll be fine. And I won't have to worry about next summer not starting because it's got bad ethanol gas in it. So y'all can watch me put it together and try it out. I don't think there's going to be much assembly. Doesn't look like that. Okay. Appears to be completely assembled. We'll see if we can do it before we read the instructions. If we can't get it put together, then we'll read the instructions. Pretty light. Two batteries. There's more stuff in there. I don't know what. Another charger. And another charger. That's cool. You get two chargers. And it doesn't. Looks like it comes with its own tools. Yeah, it's got a cute little 10mm wrench. Hey, those four are the same, so I bet they go on the bottom. They go on the outside. They go right there on the outside. I assume these go up here. Kind of goes up. That's the right height. Well, that was pretty easy to assemble. It's very light. It's very lightweight, I'll say that. Okay. very shiny. Yeah, it's got a little charge. Okay, so I've let my yard get a little too high, but you can see it. And so let's just see how it does, especially when it's high. Seems to work pretty good. I'm actually impressed. I wish you could just pull the handle, but you got to push the little button, then pull the handle. How hard it is to raise it. Looks pretty easy actually. Look at that, one handle. So there you go. I would say, you can see our yard is not that big. I think it'll be just fine. Hopefully it'll last through the whole thing, especially with a full charge. So I'm going to charge it first and then make sure it'll last through it. But from the looks of it, it will. Well, it's already lost a thing, a bar. But I still think it'll probably last through the whole yard. So there you go. If you want a cheap $200 battery mower from Walmart, it's pretty good. Hope this helps. And our two kids are waiting on us.